You're in a video game called Life on Earth, and if you're watching this video, you're probably a lot closer to winning the game than you might think. It does really seem to be that we live in a simulation. There's almost no matter in reality, and it's just photons, light, energy that responds to our emotions and our thoughts. And so, what's the objective? What's the purpose of this experience, this video game matrix simulation? I'm going to offer a few perspectives, saving the most intriguing one for last.
Scientists have literally put a fly into the matrix. Scientists have uploaded a brain of a fruit fly into a computer, and now it lives freely in its own simulation. Look at this little guy. He's just there washing his hands, living his best life. It has no idea at all that it's in a digital world. Look at this, look at this. He's about to eat digital food. Oh, look, it's so tasty, right? Bro, this is wild. The way they demoed this was using 139,000 neurons and 50 million synapses from a real fruit fly brain. Build a neural model, plug the sensory inputs, give it a physics simulated body and environment, and just like that, the brain performed its natural behaviors of a fruit fly. But it's in a digital world. It has no idea that it's in a digital world, because how would it know? It's literally the Matrix. So the crazy thing to think about, if you really want to think about it, is what if that's us right now? Or what if it's something that could happen to us?
This anime is one of the most terrifying things that I have ever seen. Not because there's any horror in it, but because it could predict our future. It's called Pantheon, and it's one of the best things that I have seen in a long time, and here's why. It tackles one of humanity's greatest fears, being replaced by technology. Because the scariest part about the show is that it isn't AI taking over the world, it's uploaded consciousness. You see, in Pantheon, they figured out a way to upload a human brain as a UI, or uploaded intelligence. Same memory, same habits, same person, except now it lives on a server and can be copied like a file. Now the question is, why would they do this? Why would they choose to upload themselves? Well, in the digital world, you have so much more freedom to do anything that you want compared to the real one. It's like being able to put yourself into any game or any anime, except you get to control everything. But it raises a question that becomes one of the biggest problems in the show. If you upload yourself, did you survive, or were you just replaced? Because in the show, a scan isn't just shining a red light on your brain, it's a hard scan, meaning a laser maps your brain so finely that it disintegrates the tissue in the process, which also means that that person sitting in that machine didn't actually transfer into the digital world. He dies, his stream of consciousness ends. But then minutes later, he pops up on the screen, talking like him, joking like him, knowing things that he would only know. It's essentially the same person. But here's what's so scary about this. To everyone around him, he's still alive. It's as if they took his body and just magically plopped him into the digital world. And this creates a uniquely terrifying problem. Picture this. Your best friend wants to upload himself into the digital world. The scan goes great, and now he's telling you about all of the amazing things that he can do. He can fly, teleport, and he made his own digital world where he's Sun Jin Woo from Solo Leveling. But this is what's really happening. A copy of your dead friend, a ghost basically, is trying to convince you to end your life so you can experience something that neither of you are going to ever experience. And this is something that billions of people around the world are going through. So as time goes on, the population goes from 8 billion to 7.5 billion to 5 billion to 1 billion. And just like that, human beings are being led to extinction by the ghosts of their loved ones.